coils and wiring is out of the way. Now I've just got my spark plugs ready to be removed. It's much easier when the engine isn't hot. That only took a couple minutes, and I'll pop these spark plugs out, chuck some new ones in, put it back together. Easy as that. So just before I pull these spark plugs out, I'm just checking over the spark plugs that I've purchased. I've got NGK BCPR 7ES, but I'm also just checking the gap in between the spark plug. So this one is 0.8, which I think is the factory spec for the 1J. Well, that's what I've just read on the Google. So I'll just go through and check all of them, make sure they're all the same before I whack them in. Alright guys, car's back together. Just thought I'd show you the old spark plugs. It's the first one I pulled out to the last one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of them still looking alright shape. It's still not too much of a gap there, as you can see. But this one here, from the third one I pulled out, if it focuses. There we are. See, there's just nothing there, it's just a big gap. So that could be causing a few issues anyway. Interesting. We'll see if the car starts before putting the rest back together. Let those plugs burn right, and then I'll put the rest back together, put the cover on, and then maybe take it for a spin. Alrighty, let's take this thing for a quick spin, see if it's still doing what it was doing. Just turn this aircon off. Hopefully we can get out the driveway. Get out and check that I'm on my ramp before I do anything silly. Yeah, I'm getting good at lining the ramps up with the wheels and keeping it straight, so it's a bonus. Help me get out of this bloody garage. Just made that one, but he's out. Oh, he's actually still stuck. And he's stalled. Alright, we're on. I'll go down the hill, turn around, I'll come back up the hill, give it a bit more juice and see if it does what it was doing. Fingers crossed. Everyone watching, cross your fingers. This could be it. myself. A few were impressed with my mechanical skills. Oh, it's like a brand new car. Jeez, boy. And this thing goes good. Hey, that deserves a like. Subscribe if you are new here. I'm going to give it heaps up this hill and then park it in the shed. One happy man this afternoon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll wind the windows down for you. Holy hiccup. Sorry neighbours. Alright. Oh. 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 That's good. And the neighbours are already looking at me. I will. Cheers fellas, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.